Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy. Please don't go bad, yo.
Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from OMGHerHair, and when you check the info section below, I will have all the details, information, and links provided there, as well as a discount code. So in case you guys are interested in this wig, please use my discount code, which is Elise30, to save $30 when you spend $179 or more. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. I have their 13 by 6 inch ombre brown Coarse Yaki straight lace frontal wig, and this is what it looks like. I'm in love with this color, y'all, and I love the texture as well. Now this wig has their real invisible high definition lace, clean bleached hairline and knots, and the cap is super fitted, so therefore you can get a custom fit no matter your head shape or size. And it also has their removable adjustable strap. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see how I received the wig, also to further assess if any work needs to be done. And as you guys can see, nothing needs to be done at all. This is definitely a throw on and go wig. Now you guys notice that the hairline is already pre-plucked, the knots are already bleached, the color is gorgeous. Only thing I need to do is put a flat iron to it, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. But as far as any work, you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and use my BioSilk Silk Therapy hair serum, apply that all over this hair. Everything that you see me using throughout this video, I'll be sure to link it in the description box below.
Pristine sound.
So now I'm using a really sharp pair of cutting shears, and I'm carefully removing the excess lace from the wig, and just follow the natural hairline on the wig and you should be able to remove it properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the removable adjustable strap that came with the wig and just go ahead and apply that so I can get a nice snug custom fit. Now I'm just using a little bit of foundation that's about one shade darker than my skin tone, and I'm just applying that all over the lace. However, you don't have to do this because this is invisible high definition lace, so it melts in with all skin tones. But just to kind of be certain, I did apply just a little bit of foundation. You guys see how easily this wig just came together once I put it on. This is the perfect throw on and go wig. Now this also sort of doubles as a glueless install, so if you don't want to use any adhesives or anything like that, you can definitely stop right here. Now I will be using my Melt Me Down spray just to temporarily adhere this wig down, just because I kind of wanted it to stay because I had somewhere to go later that day. But so I'm just pulling out some baby hairs, and this is a cool little trick if you're using a adhesive like the Melt Me Down spray that might turn white or crust a little bit. Using a little bit of baby hairs kind of disguises that crusty look. But yeah, I just went ahead and pulled out some baby hairs, and now I'm just adhering the wig down. Now I'm going in with a little bit of powder just to make that part pop and look like scalp. And just like that, y'all, get into this wig. I love this color, y'all. I don't know what it's doing for me and my skin tone, but if you are a brown skin girl like myself, y'all need to be getting this color today, like right now, because it is the most prettiest color on brown skin, and I just cannot get enough of it. I love the texture of this wig. It like definitely reminds me of when I blow out my hair, my natural hair, and I do like a light flat iron on it. It has so much movement and body, and it's still super soft. Now if you get your wig and you notice that it feels a little dry, definitely go in with like a lightweight moisturizer. But for me, like, this hair is so soft, it doesn't need it. The serum was enough, the flat iron was enough. This hair is like simply good to go. If you wanted to wear this wig in a side part, y'all, this wig has you covered. You have tons of parting space, so much parting space with this wig. You can do a half up, half down, y'all. Endless possibilities. But I'm here for it. The color, the movement, like the texture, everything. It's just gorgeous. OMGHerHair has the best hairline of all the wigs that I've tried out. OMGHerHair has the best, most natural hairline. You guys can't deny it. However, you guys know me, I kind of wanted to add some curls to see how well this hair will hold up to being curled, and you guys get into it. I did some big jumbo size curls, and y'all, it just adds a whole nother level of dimension, and it's so gorgeous. Just all the body and the movement and the natural sheen that this wig is giving off. It's just such a gorgeous wig, and I just cannot get enough of it. Now, if you do decide to curl this hair, do not use Garnier Fructis hairspray. It doesn't work. Instead, use some 𝐂𝐷𝐈𝐶 glued spray. The curls will definitely hold. I did use a Garnier hairspray, and y'all, my curls are dropping so fast. However, I did spray one section with the 𝐂𝐷𝐈𝐶 and it held. So yeah, use that one instead. But once again, this wig does come from OMGHerHair. I will have all the details and information located in the info section below. Use my discount code 𝐿EASE30 to save $30 off of your purchases. OMGHerHair has their buy now, pay later option, so therefore you don't have to splurge at once. Be sure to use that option if you need to. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
And a bad man, they feel alright. Say things them are moving.